Subaru Impreza, bale stock headers, meron pang catalytic, and then stock intake. Ang baon lang nito ay axle pack or mid pipe. Hindi rin sure si boss. So yan, single exit. Tapos this one is a manual transmission, 6-speed siya. So check natin kung ilang wheel horsepower yung from stock. Tapos saka natin pagandahin sa tune based sa current na setup ni sir ngayon. Subaru Impreza, manual transmission, dan dyno tune. Our final output 108 wheel horsepower stock to 131 wheel horsepower after tune, and then 99 in foot-pounds to 129 foot-pounds in wheel torque. So laki nung nung gap from stop. Ramdam na ramdam ni sir yan.